Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Like you must have read on the thumbnail, today we're gonna be covering everything that you need to know about the Duolingo test, which is a simpler, cheaper, and more convenient version of IELTS TOEFL. So what is the DET? The Duolingo English test is an English proficiency test just like IELTS and TOEFL. But unlike these two, it can be taken from the convenience of your home. Plus all the preparation can be done on the app itself. So no boring textbooks or stuffy classrooms here. Now you must be wondering, how is it better than IELTS and TOEFL? Then let me break it down for you. First, time duration. This exam takes just 1 hour, while IELTS and TOEFL take 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. Because this is an adaptive test, which means it adjusts to the difficulty of the questions as per your responses. The more questions you get right, the harder the questions get. Second, cost. This exam is way cheaper than IELTS and TOEFL. While IELTS TOEFL costs 15 to 20,000 per attempt, DET costs just 5 to 6,000 rupees. Third, acceptance. This exam is accepted by top universities in US, Canada, Australia, and you can send the scores to as many universities as you want for free. You heard it right. You would not have to break the bank to get into your dream school. Fourth, getting your test results. With the DET, you get your test results within 2 days. And if you want them faster, then you pay an extra $40 and get them within 12 hours itself. Fifth and the most important, practicing material. Now we know that there are multiple practice materials available for IELTS TOEFL, but none are as good as Arno for the DET. यहाँ पे you get unlimited practice questions for every question type, absolutely free. So to all my fellow Indians dreaming of studying abroad, DET could be your golden ticket because it not only opens up doors to world-class education opportunities but also to global opportunities. So what are you waiting for? If you haven't given your English proficiency test, then go sign up for the DET now. And if you like this video, then don't forget to drop a comment, like it and subscribe to our channel for more such study abroad updates. See you next time.